Welcome to Sudoku SkVm. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on June 3, 2023, 3 stars Sudoku. Column J, we have 1 and 7. So 1 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. Fourth row, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in this cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then third grid, 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 4, 6. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Fifth row and sixth row, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Ninth grade and 6th row, we have 1. So 1 can't come these cells. Then 1 is confirmed here. 6th grade and 8th row and 9th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. 7th row and 6th row, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Column B, column D, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. 8th row, 9th row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Column E, column J, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then in column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. The 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 8. 9th row, we have 8. So it can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then in column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 3 and 9. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. Then in column I, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come in one of the cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade and 4th row, we have pair numbers, 1 and 9. So 1 and 9 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 6th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in the cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. 6th row, we have 9. So 9 can't come in the cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. 4th row and 9th row, we have pair numbers, 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. 10th row, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Then in column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 7th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 6. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 9th row, 10th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 will come in another cells. Column E, we already have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. Then 7 is confirmed here. 8th grade and 2nd grade, we have pair numbers, 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in another 2 cells. We will confirm later. 8th grade and 3rd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 8th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row and 2nd row, we have 4. So 4 can't come these cells. Then 4 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 6. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. 3rd row and 4th row, column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come these cells. The 9 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 6, 1. Column C, column E, we have 2. So 2 can't come these cells. Then 2 is confirmed here. Then 3rd grade, only 1 number is remaining, 6. 6 is confirmed here. Then 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. It will come in another cells. We will confirm later. Column F, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 6, 8. 3rd row, we have 6 and 8. So 6 and 8 can't come this cell. It will come in another 2 cells. 9th row, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this result. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. 9th row we have 5. So 5 can't come in this result. 5 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. The 8th row only one number is remaining. 9. 9 is confirmed here. The 9th row only one number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then 10th row only one number is remaining. 5. 5 is confirmed here. Then column B only one number is remaining. 6. 6 is confirmed here. First grade we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Then column F only one number is remaining. 1. 1 is confirmed here. Then second grade 3 numbers are remaining. 2, 8, 5. Column G we have 5. So 5 can't come in these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then second grade 2 numbers are remaining. 2 and 8. Third row we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Then fourth row only one number is remaining. 2. 2 is confirmed here. Then third row 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 5. Column C we have 5. So 5 can't come in the cell. 5 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Column D 2 numbers are remaining. 3 and 7. Sixth row we have 3. So 3 can't come in the cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 7 is here. Sixth row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Fifth row we have 7. So 7 can't come in the cell. 7 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. Then fourth grade 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 8. Seventh row we have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 8 is here. Fifth row 2 numbers are remaining. 6 and 8. Column G we have 8. So 8 can't come in the cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 6 is here. Seventh row 2 numbers are remaining. 4 and 9. Column G we have 4. So 4 can't come in the cell. 4 is confirmed here. Then 9 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share in this video. Thank you very much.